Hey guys, it's Spencer from Short Step. Today I'm going to show you how to make two classic cocktails. Today we're going to be making vodka martini two ways. First we're going to start with a classic vodka martini started with a lemon twist. Then we're going to make a dirty martini with blue cheese olives. So first we're going to start out taking our shaker and fill it up with some ice. Next we're going to use 3 ounces of Ketel One vodka. Traditionally martinis are made with gin, but as the cocktail re-popularized in the 1990s, variations were made with vodka, and now many people request their martinis made with vodka. And we're going to use a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. Vermouth is an Italian fortified wine that's infused with botanicals. You can read more about the history of the martini and its use of vermouth in our blog. Very simple to drink, only 2 ingredients. We're going to shake it up. Alright. Make sure you get a nice layer of ice on there when you pour it. Serve it into a chilled glass. And we're going to garnish it with a fresh lemon twist. If you don't have a twisting tool at home, you can just use a paring knife and peel the rind off the lemon and then twist it up. Gonna rub it around the edge of the glass for the essential oils that are in the peel of the lemon, give a little bit of flavor on the rim, and then drop the twist right in. Now we're gonna make our dirty martini with blue cheese olives. We can use the same shaker for this because we're gonna use the same ingredients and we're just gonna be adding something extra. So we'll freshen up with our ice. And now we're gonna use 3 ounces of our Ketel One vodka. And we're going to use about 1 ounce of olive juice in here. If you don't have any olive juice at home, you can just use the jar of olives that you have. We'll have some juice in the bottom, and this works great for your martini. I'm just going to use the lid to kind of block the olives here, and we'll measure over the tin so that anything that falls out goes into the drink. Alright, now I got that olive juice in there, we're going to shake up our filthy martini. Alright, we're going to garnish this drink with some blue cheese stuffed olives. And traditionally we use 3 olives because it's bad luck to use an even number. Now we have our martini two ways. We have our classic martini with served with a lemon twist, dry martini, and then our dirty martini with blue cheese stuffed olives.